Hi there, welcome back. This is Manu here. How do you ask people their age? And how do you respond when people ask you your age? Question: what's your age? What age are you? How old are you? Which is right? I'll say all three are right. What is your age? It's very formal, it's people ask it in very formal circumstances, like maybe in the court and all that, the court of law. What age are you? It's again in some countries they ask this. What age are you? And how old are you seems to be kind of common in almost every English speaking country. Yeah. How old are you? So we stick with how old are you, but you can ask what's your age, you can ask what age are you, all are fine, okay? And how do you respond? We look at all these things and a few more things as well in this whole video. Before I continue, just want to say, if you like this video, do hit the like button and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And don't forget to watch this video till the end, because the idea of making this video is to enhance your English speaking and listening skills, the two skills. So if you really want to learn English, watch this video till the end. Right, let's start. So, how old are you? Pretty simple. Other questions? How old's your father? How old's your mother? How old's your brother? How old's the new candidate? How old's your house? How old's your car? How old's that dog that you own? Yes, how old is can be used for anything. You want to know the age of something? How old is this paperweight? But the problem with how old is this paperweight is you don't know when they made it. You got it from the shop. So you got it from the shop maybe last year. Then you can't say this is 1 year old. You have to say, well, I got it a year ago. So maybe the best question would be, when did you buy this? That's a nice statue there. When did you buy it? Oh, I bought it 3 months ago. How old is that statue? I don't know. I don't know who made it. I don't know when he made it. So that way, how old is a thing is kind of difficult to answer. Therefore, nobody asks that. When did you buy it? How long has it been around? How long has it been around? Now, here we go. How old are you? I'm 30 years old. I'm 30 years old. It's very formal, full answer. Some people may say, I'm 30 years. Great. But generally, commonly, people will simply give the number. I'm 30. How old's your father? He's 72. How old's your mother? She's 68. How old's your house? I know when you built it. That's 50. House is 50 years old. When did you buy this paperweight? Last year. Or I bought it last year. Both are fine. So once more. House. How old's the house? It's 50 years. Or it's 50. It's. It is. It's. There's an apostrophe over there. It's 50 years. IT apostrophe S. It's. Now, there's also a case where you don't have an apostrophe. You simply say ITS. Pronounced as it's. Same pronunciation. But what's the difference? So, whose cat is that? It's mine. How old's it? It's 30 years old. What's its name? What's its name? There's no apostrophe with that. That name belongs to the cat, so we say, what's its name? It's Polly. Great, cat, Polly. I don't know, maybe you can give the cat any name you want. You got a mobile. Yeah. Where's its cover? Its cover. Without an apostrophe. You're saying the cover belongs to the mobile. So we say its cover. Very important over here. The question is, how do we ask whether that belongs to somebody? Does this remote belong to you? Is this yours? No, it's his. It's his. Does this car belong to you? Is that car yours? Look at the two questions. Does this car belong to you? Is this car yours? So normally we say, is this car yours? So is that house yours? Yes, it's mine. Is that car yours? No, it isn't. It's my neighbor's. It is my neighbor's. So it plus is with an apostrophe, but when I say it belongs to somebody, it's without an apostrophe. Now, another word that I want to tell you here is, this is a paperweight. This is another paperweight. So how many paperweights do I have now? 2. Where did you buy them? I bought both of them from the same shop. Both. How many children do you have? 2. I have 2 children, 1 son, 1 daughter. Where do they study? Both of them study in school. Both go to school. Both. For 2, we say both. A very important word. Now you can't say both of the 2 of them. No, you simply say both of them, because both means 2. That's it for this video. In the next video, we'll look at another thing called opinion at the basic level. We'll catch you then. Bye-bye. Thank you for watching this video, liking it and subscribing to our channel. We'll see you in the next video. Until then.